Thatcarlife, and I'm here with Antonia, aka Thatcarlife support. And today we're going to get some new wheels on the S15. Alright, so we're going to head down to Aussie Tyres in Rockdale and we're going to get some new wheels. I'm not going to show you what they are just yet, but I'll do a review for you guys when we leave. But yeah, we'll head down now.
Waiting for a pop.
There you go.
And I can't pay. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm lost and located in the back though. Don't even wanna check. Niggas still wanna call it a day. Approach me, ain't got shit to say. Talking to me like you wanted to stay. When they come back around and you still tryna play. Go and break it down for a nigga. Go and break it down, just a little. Had love for a nigga, but they steady playing games with him.
Alright guys, so I'm back from Aussie Tyres and I just have to say they did such an incredible job. Customer service was amazing. I even got a free dash cam with the wheels as well, which is really good. So yeah, Aussie Tyres at Rockdale, definitely recommend, and all you guys got to get your wheels from down there. But yeah, I'm over the moon. Like honestly, they just look so good. If you're wondering what the specs are, I got 18s by 8.5s. And yeah, they honestly, they fit a lot better than my other wheels did. Because they're a bit smaller. My other wheels, the reason why I sold them was because they were just rubbing everywhere, and yeah, it was just damaging the car. So these ones, I don't have any issues with the car rubbing anymore. But I know what you're thinking, don't worry. I know that their wheels do need to be pushed out a bit more. So I do have I have two 5mm spacers left over from my old wheels. I only had two because I just needed them at the front to clear the brakes. But I think I need to buy another two so I can have them on all sides of the car, just to push the wheels out a bit more, because it's just tucked in too much. Like I want to bring the wheels basically up to here, because as you can see, it's just, you know, just inside. I don't want that. I want to bring the tires right out here. So yeah, I'm gonna try and test fit my 5mm spacers that I have inside on the rears, just to see how well it looks and if it brings it out how I want. And yeah, hopefully that'll look good, and if that's the case, I'll do the same on the front. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, S15s reliable as, man. Look at this, 3 stockies in the back seat, like not even folded down, just in there. And also there's even room for one more in the boot with a sub as well, so not bad. So I'm basically going to get all the stockies out now, and I'm going to try and see if I can test fit some of the spacers. Alright guys, so I have my old 5mm spacers that I got from Shift Performance. So the plan is I'm going to chuck these on the back of the car. I'm going to try it with this wheel first. So I'm going to take this off, chuck the spacer on, and I'm just going to see how the wheel fits. So I'm hoping that it sticks out just fine. But yeah, let's give it a go. Alright, let's put these on. Sweet, now let's chuck the wheel back on. So the spacers are on, it's time to lower the car down and let's see how it looks. That's fucking better. Alright, so I've put the spacer on and it does stick out further, but I'm still not happy with it. I think I'll probably need a 10mm. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a 15, I'm not really sure. Actually, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should put in order to completely fill the gap here. Honestly, I want the tire right there. It's just too much gap in between, but it does look a lot better. We'll compare it to the other side just so you guys can tell. So the other side, as you can see, it just goes in way too much. And this is the other side. Alright, so 100%, I'm gonna need even bigger spacers to get these to properly fit. So I'm not really sure what size spacers I'm going to go for, but I'll have a look tonight. I'll order some and hopefully I can get this put on. Honestly, I've got work tonight and then I'm going out for my birthday this weekend, so I'm not going to have any time in the next few days to work on this, so I'm probably going to have to pick it up next week. Let's do it. Hey guys, I'm back, and it's been a couple of days since the last clip that you guys saw, and I've managed to order some 15mm spacers of Shift Performance. They're going to take about a week to come in, I'm pretty sure, so I figured I may as well just leave the video here and upload this one, and I'll do a separate video putting on those spacers and trying to get the fitment perfect. So far though, 2 days ago, I managed to put the 5mm spacers on the front, and it's got the front looking pretty good. It's basically flush with the front fender. It could go a bit more, but overall, as you can see, it actually looks really good on the front. It suits it quite well, and if you look like this, it sticks out quite nice. So I might put a 10mm on the front, or I might not. I just want to see how it looks when the rear spacers come in, but I think for now the front's pretty much sorted. So yeah, it's just a matter of waiting till the next video when we chuck in the 15mm spacers. The rears will be sorted hopefully, and yeah, the fitment will be perfect. So stay tuned for the next video after this one, where we're going to perfect the fitment on the S15. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of that for more, and I'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.